Hello and welcome to the Worldwide Center of Mathematics problem of the week. This week we have a bit of a word problem, but it boils down to just algebra and a little bit of critical thinking on how to set up the algebra. So the story goes, a group of 3 sailors stumble upon a bunch of coconuts. The first one takes half of the bunch and one more. The second one takes half of what's left and 1/2 more. And the third one takes 1/2 of what's still left again and 1/2 more. So instead of just doing some guess and check, seeing how many coconuts work out, because we don't really know if there's just going to be one solution or several solutions, but we'll see after we set up algebraic expressions about what's going on that we can solve for exactly one and have no guessing around. So I'm just going to go into the algebraic expressions and describe them. And one thing I forgot to mention is that after they've taken all their coconuts, there's one left over from the bunch. So here we have S1, which is an unknown, meaning how many coconuts sailor 1 took. We have S2, which is how many coconuts sailor 2 took, and S3, which is for sailor 3. And we also have X, which shows up a bunch of times, and X is the number of coconuts in our pile. So we have 4 unknowns and 4 variables, which is good because that will give us exactly one solution, and it'll be a definite solution. So what I've done is we have the first sailor took half of the right, so the first sailor took half of one more than the pile, which is equal to x over 2 plus 1/2, to be clear. The second sailor took half of that pile and 1/2 more than that. So, which basically means x minus S1, and I've simplified here, so we just plug in this for S1, and then bring that in, multiply that in, and then simplify. And similarly for S3. So now that's all the critical thinking we need. We can just plug in S3, S2, and S1 into this big equation because these are all in terms of x, which is very nice. So I've just grouped all the x terms and all the constant terms. So we have, so for an example, this and this is from the sailor 1, because addition can be distributed however you want. So then I multiply throughout by 8 to get rid of those fractions, and so now we can just solve this, and this comes down nicely to x minus 7 equals 8. So there you have it. We have the original pile was 15 coconuts. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like and check out our other videos. And you can stick around for a link to the playlist of more problems of the week, or to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.